Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the full process for setting up your payout methods in the Apex dashboard. It's important to get the right to ensure smooth and timely payments. The process is a bit different for US and non-US traders, so I will break down the for both. So let's dive in. First, log into your Apex dashboard. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app or the website for the best experience. Once you are logged in, follow these steps based on your location. For US traders, select payout method from the available options on your Apex dashboard. Then choose direct deposit from the drop-down menu. Enter your bank details including your SES routing number and bank account number. Make sure to use the correct SES routing number, not the wire transfer number, to avoid any delays. Save your information to complete the setup. If you are non-US traders, then select payout method from the dashboard. Choose international from the drop-down menu. Enter your personal details as required. Once you completed the steps, you will receive an invitation email from Plan to link your local bank account. Make sure to complete this step promptly to avoid any delays. Double check your account details for accuracy to avoid payment issues. For international traders, keep an eye on your email for the invitation from Plan. And that's it. You are all set to receive your Apex payouts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.